Hello, how you doing? Okay, another unboxing. So excited about this because I got my Ningxia reset kit. I wanted to start on Monday, but my kit didn't arrive, and I had Ningxia, but I was like, I don't want to start doing it outside of the kit because it's just going to be easier to follow along. So I'm going to do it that way, and my cat has already come to help. He loves a box. Like, what is the deal? You buy gifts, you buy toys, and they don't give a shit. They only want the boxes. Okay, toothpaste again, no big deal, but this is my favorite toothpaste ever. If you're not already using it, you gotta check it out. When you sign up with me as a new customer, I'll send you a sample of it, so it'll give you like 2 times brushing your teeth, but it is honestly awesome. The base is coconut oil, which is a natural teeth whitener anyways. And the best part, well, first of all, it tastes great. Thieves is bacterial, antiviral, but the best part is there's no toxic warning on the back that says you have to, call poison control if you get it in your mouth, which is so dumb. Why would you put something in your mouth that's meant to be there and then have it be toxic? It doesn't make any sense. Okay, Thieves mouthwash, also my favorite. I kind of feel like I want to just start ordering these every month, because I kind of do like every 2 to 3 months, but I just like to have the backup because the idea of running out is terrible. So I'd rather have extra. And then with this one, I cut it in half. Not cut it literally, but I cut it with water. So I just saved my last bottle. So I'm just about to finish. So when I open this, I'll put half of it in the new bottle, and then I leave half in this bottle, and I put it in the the linen closet, and I leave it half so that I know that I haven't already added water, and then I will add water when I go to use it again, and then you rinse and repeat the next time. Okay. My daughter has been doing the Ningxia drink that I drink every day. Ningxia mineral essence, these vitality drops, they're electrolytes, sulfurzyme, and water, either just straight water or sparkling water. And so we've been going through this more now, and so I needed to order more, and I've already got it in my cart for June again because we've been going through it so much, and then my husband's kind of getting curious about it and is like, okay, I want to try it out. So you just toss a little squirt. Like some people I saw, I don't know if it was my daughter that did it, somebody did it, and it was like, squeeze. No, you just need like a little boom, and that's it. If you put too much, it'll be so salty, you just won't like it. Actually, mineral essence is more salty, but you won't like it. So just a little quick one, but that's so good. I love this stuff. Love, love, love. Thieves drops, also same deal. Like all the Thieves stuff for oral hygiene. It's just fantastic. I've actually been kind of out of these, so I'm excited to have them back. And this is another one that I feel like I could order every month, because anytime I get like, a canker sore, or I get like, I feel like I'm getting sick or something, I will get on these, and it's so much better. They do have cough drops also with menthol, but these don't have that. These are just throat drops. Okay, let's see. We've got some free stuff, and then we've got my Ningxia reset kit. So Valor roller. I mean, friggin' love this stuff. My mom recently got this, and she was like, can I just bathe in it all the time? Can I just bathe in it? I just want to bathe in it. It's so good. So insider tip, bottoms of the feet for sleep, but also bottom of the big toe for snoring. And I'm telling you what, it works super well. So this one with a little badge on it, with a little, I don't know what you call that, like a crest. You can see it better in the big. This is the new/old formula. So this is the original formula that has rosewood in it. And then at one point, Young Living lost a sustainable access to rosewood, and they don't do anything that would harm the planet or use toxins or anything like that. So if they lose access to something like that, that was one of the farms that they didn't own, and they partnered with somebody. They changed the formula of Valor altogether to keep it as close to the integrity of it as they could. And they got access to a new farm for rosewood, and so they they reformulated it and put this out too. So you can still get the old one too, but that's the difference. If you see this badge here, this crest, that is the original formula that they've brought back. So I had the old formula, and I mean, honestly, it smells so similar. But rosewood has a different healing property, and I'm not remembering what it is right now. We'll have to look it up because I have an old bottle of it and it's great. Okay, am I going to be able to take this out with my cat on the table that is also going to knock the camera over with his tail any second? This is really like a Tetris game right now. You gotta get down, baby. Yeah. Okay, and then I didn't grab a knife to open the kit, but I'm so excited about this. It actually, I thought that the box was going to be way bigger because this thing is so big, but let's see. Are you going to really get right in it? Say hi, Bill. Say hi. Say hi. You right in it, just always. Okay, say hi. Mwah. We love you. All right, so cellophane on the outside. A friend of mine is doing this too, and she just started yesterday. So I'll start tomorrow morning, and then I'll post my progress in my stories. I'm not going to post my progress in my feed because it's just too much about one thing. Like I might post here and there, but I'm not going to do all of it there. Okay, so okay, I have a pen here, hang on. Because you have to cut this seal to get it open. Okay, so it's called the Mega Shift Ningxia Reset, if you look it up. And if you're a brand new customer, you can get 10% off your first order. This is $129, so that would take, what, $12 off. And shipping is usually $10, so it would save you the shipping. Okay, so here's what it looks like. I've seen it online, of course, but I have not seen it in person. So the instructions are all here on the inside. There's a QR code here that will take you right to a PDF that shows you everything how to do it. And there's a Facebook group that you can join and see other people's progress and check all of that out. So let me get my glasses on. 14 days to healthier ways. Big lifestyle changes start small. This kit is your guide to making healthier choices for your body until living well becomes a natural part of your everyday practice. Take the first steps with us over the next 14 days. This is all that I'm about, grabbing the tools to help your wellness routine so it becomes part of your natural backdrop. I take Ningxia every day, but I'm really curious to see what it feels like with this serious boost that they have. Okay, so number one, take the first step towards your life shift. Days 1 to 3, you drink 2 pouches 3 times a day. So it has it all set out, day 1, day 2, day 3, because that's where you do the most. And then you back off. So 6 packets, and they're even in sections. Like you just grab the 3, and this is in the morning, and then you grab 3, and that's in the night. This is gonna feel amazing. Because I'm telling you what, I have an autoimmune disorder, and when I started with Young Living almost 3 years ago, I started with the Aria Premium Starter Kit, and there were 2 packets that came in that starter kit. They still are in there if you order it. I had one of those and I was like, oh my God, I feel amazing. I feel like all my cells are lit up. And then I did it again the next day and I was like, this is so good that I have to have this. And I have not turned back. I have been drinking it ever since and it seriously helps. Okay, so 1 to 3 days is basically 6 pouches. Yeah, because you go 3 times a day. Okay. And then days 4 to 14, you drink 1 pouch 3 times a day. So you're essentially having 3 again that day, but you spread it out. And so what I'm going to do is like, sure, you can drink the packet straight, but I also I like to make my drink with the mineral essence and the vitality drops and sulfurzyme. So I'll make that once a day and then I'll just drink the packets the rest. Okay, so then the second thing that you do is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this gonna go through the other stuff. Discover the science and wellness benefits. Check out our clinical study and Ningxia ebook to learn how Ningxia Red can reduce daily stress significantly, to improve mental well-being, increase physical energy levels, and support a healthy inflammation response. Okay. Number 3, weave healthy habits into your day. Add an extra veggie, keep that water bottle close, and move a bit daily and sprinkle in self-care. So the idea in the Facebook group, you'll learn about this, and in the PDF. I believe the suggestion is to drink half of your body weight in ounces of water a day in addition to this, and to move 30 minutes a day, whether it's a walk, yoga, whatever. It doesn't have to be intense. I mean, certainly I have a Peloton, so I'm going to be totally on the bike, but I go for outdoor runs. I just did 4 miles this morning, and on my Peloton app, and I friggin' love it. So anyways, it's just gonna boost you to get going with it. Number 4, track, evaluate, and share your progress. Before you begin, take a photo or video to document your progress. Sharing your journey with friends boosts your confidence and invites others to support you. So I will do that, and I'll see if I want to share the before and afters. We'll see if I want to be that vulnerable. And then 5, transform your healthy lifestyle. So there's a QR code right there in number 5. So we'll see what this is all about. I'm going to start tomorrow so that I have like a full day to do it, because it's the end of the day now and I don't want to do that. But I'm so excited to check this out and see how this goes. What else was I going to say? There was something else I wanted to mention and I forgot. I'll post in stories. And why am I spacing? Okay, let me show you everything that I got for free, and then hopefully I'll remember what the heck I was saying. Lip balm at 100 loyalty rewards. You don't get anything at 100 if you're not in loyalty rewards, but you do if you are. What else? Rosemary. This is in the hair serum, rosemary, cedarwood, and lavender. Rosemary is great for memory. It's the oil of memory. And incidentally, rosemary, lemon, lavender is like the school, I call it like the school test combo. It's great for focus. Lemon is for focus, but that combination, rosemary, lavender, and lemon, help being alert for studying. And if you didn't know this, insider's tip, if you use essential oils while you're studying for something and then you use that same oil while you're taking the test or while you're doing something that you need to recall, it will help you with memory to remember that. Okay, patchouli was also free. This is the oil of getting into the body, being embodied. I really love this one, and I was nearly out of it too. So I believe this one is either in my root chakra blend or my sacral, I can't remember. And then Progessence Plus. What? This is a $60 bottle on its own. This is progesterone from wild yams. I wear this every day. My 3 hormone oils are this one, Endoflex, and Lady Sclerol. Lady Sclerol is more for estrogen. This is for progesterone, and Endoflex is dubbed the tantrum tamer. It helps to balance the endocrine system as a whole. So I use this all the time anyways, and this is the thing that's so amazing about loyalty rewards. If you don't know about it, it's basically frequent flyer miles for all things Young Living. But you earn up to 25% back in points. So I earned 25% back on this. I think I spent, well, I would have spent $250 because I got the freebies that were up to $250. So, what is that? 25, 50. I want to say I got 60 something points though, just for this month. And then you can use it for free product later, for more Ningxia, for more Vitality Drops, for more oils, whatever you need. I mean, it's friggin' awesome. I'm just about ready to do another points order because I have now another 200 points or something to use. So anyways, check that out. Let me know if you need help. It's my favorite thing ever. I'll track my progress in stories. And what else was I going to say? I don't remember. So I guess it was a lie, as my mom used to say. Friggin' love this stuff. I keep it in my car, right in my console, so that if I ever leave the house without oils, which is rare, but you know, if you get out in the world and you're like, oh my God, I need a little something, And I have a diffuser in my car too, because, you know, once you start, can't stop. It's the best addiction ever. Okay, one last note, because I can't remember what it was I was going to say. Remember, when you are using essential oils, you are borrowing the nervous system of the plant the way babies borrow their parents' nervous system to let them know what to do and how to do it. So when you use an oil, you're borrowing the nervous system. I'm borrowing memory so that my nervous system updates and regulates with, it's like, what's that word when you kind of co-regulate with something? And it entrains, that's the word I wanted, your nervous system to know how to do that thing. So patchouli, hello. We all need embodiment right now. There is so much going on, so much energetic distraction, and all of it. This is what I was going to say, finally came back to me. The reset is such a perfect time to do it right now. The reason I'm doing it is because we just had a new moon in Taurus, which is the second sign of the zodiac. So new moon in Aries was all about that's the start of the astrological year. It's like, okay, we're going. Aries is the fire starter, the one that comes first. That's like, hey, I'm here. The party started. And Taurus is all about finances and resources and value and money. And are you valuing yourself? Are you valuing the people around you? Are you valuing your material possessions? Are you taking care of them? Do you have a budget? Are you managing your money? All those things. So it's like spreadsheets. It's getting all the way down into the details for sustainability and resources. So I was like, hello, I have to do the reset now. It's the perfect time to do it. And it's spring. Perfect. Spring and fall are the best times to do cleanses or anything like that. So that's why I'm doing it. Again, if you want a link, you can find one in my bio if you're on Instagram, and you can find one on my website if you're on YouTube, or I'll put it in the notes below. All right. Love you.